Very, very much, Derek, for the kind words. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining. It's a pleasure today to share our experiences from building scene understanding algorithms for emergency scenarios. Cyberphysical systems, as you probably all have been working in this area, have been used for many different applications, from hospitals to transport hubs to optimizing logistics in warehouses. But emergency response, the emergency response application is one of those areas where cyber-physical systems can have a very important sort of impact and can help teams that come into an emergency even save lives or save and protect a very, very expensive infrastructure. So the problem, however, with emergency response applications is that the situation is very challenging. We have got limited visibility. We can't assume pre-installed sensing infrastructure. Even if we bring sensors with us into the scene, they can fail over time. Communication channels are intermittent and weak, and weather conditions are often not helping. And anything that can happen that is unexpected will happen. And so we can't rely on training data, and we can't expect situations to be similar as ones we have seen before. And just to make things even more difficult, typically the teams that attend to these situations are extremely under pressure to save lives, and they don't have the cognitive sort of bandwidth to handle a lot of different diverse streams of information. Having said that, we cannot disregard the fact that there's a huge opportunity here provided to us by CPS technology, and it can help us with scene understanding in so many different ways, in terms of being able to localize people, members of the team, and vehicles, in terms of being able to provide a much more holistic sort of view of the environment to incident commanders, and also it can allow teams to interact with robots if needed to collect more information about the situation. Location itself, localization, has been truly the holy grail for emergency response. And in the last 5-10 years, everyone has worked really hard. There has been cross-government sort of international efforts supported by standardization agencies and private investors and companies and research groups. Everyone has tried to crack this problem. And people are interested in solving this problem